Polenta. That's how they call it in Italy. But here in the south of the United States, we call it grits. And this one, the one I'm designing for the recipe, is the type using cornmeal and the type that you're going to use for your osso buco or your meat shanks. And you can also use it for your shrimp, Creole, whatever you want to prepare the shrimp. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Couple notches above, medium, above. And the Italian call this polenta. But here in the south, we call it grits. And I'm going to cook it a little bit different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a tablespoon of sugar or sugar replacement. Let's make it a tablespoon and a half. Why not, right? Add some sugar to that baby. And let me put a tablespoon of butter. Move things around a little bit, right? And I'm going to prepare 1 cup of cornmeal. I'm going to make a corn. This one is fine. It's thin, you know. It's not the thick one. Let me get the sugar caramelized. What I'm going to do, because it's 1 cup of corn meal, I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of milk and 1/4 of a cup of water. And you choose the kind of milk you want. I'm going to go with coconut milk. I like coconut milk. I don't like a lot of the other type of milks. And let me add one-third of water. Move this stuff around. I'm going to put a couple drops of vanilla extra. Just a little bit. Couple drops. Move things around a little bit. Add your corn meal. If it's too thick and you want a little bit more, you know, softer, just add a little bit more water or milk. Let me go with water. Let me reduce the heat to medium. Want to soften this a little bit more. If you want, you can add a little bit more butter. For a total of 2 tablespoons. I add a little bit more of the coconut milk. I don't want it too solid. I want it a little bit creamy. Not too creamy, but creamy enough. You can add a little bit of salt. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. And you combine here the flavor of the salt with a little bit of the actual sugar. Mix it up because you want it cooked. It's not going to take a long time. Some people take like 20 something minutes. I don't see the point, to be honest with you. I lower the heat to low So it cooks slowly. If this is too thick for you, just add more milk. I mean, it's that simple. But if you do, it's going to take you a little bit longer to cook. Pretty much done. See how it looks? A little bit solid. Not creamy. Good enough.